So GBP CHF, same same ordeal. Same ordeal. But with this pair, so we're already at the bottom of the barrel. So it would look good if it break below, retested, and went short. But I'm gonna tell you something that makes this pair in this area a bit scary. All these wicks to the left, and this is the weekly time frame. All these wicks to the left will tell me that once this thing breaks out, um, if I'm going to catch a trade, it's going to be a short-lived trade because it's going to close right back up in here, knock me out, knock out my stop loss. So all this right here, like this trade will literally be a trade. If I wanted to take this a break and retest trade, I shouldn't even take a trade this week until I have a weekly candle that really closed. And this one kind of did close out of this zone here, but if I want it to be like for sure, I need to let this week play out and see if this weekly candle uh like fully closes below this zone. You feel me? Like I need this weekly candle to fully close below this zone. Like that's the only thing that will help me be confident with taking this trade and making sure it doesn't pop back up into this zone. I need this weekly candle to fully close below where all these wicks did not survive. So this is definitely a trade that probably won't set up for a few weeks, to be honest with you. But it's one of those ones where when you catch it, you can ride that trend.